Once you've logged into your Family Access portal, you'll notice this section in the center that says 2122 Returning Student Registration, and you're able to access this. There will be a separate box if you have more than one student. There will be an individual box for each student. If you do have any students who would like to join as a new student next year in the fall, there is this new student registration form for you also to complete. So going into the returning student registration, read through the instructions carefully, and then go ahead and click into the next section to start verifying your student's information. Some of the sections on here you'll notice are grayed out. If you notice anything that needs to be changed within these parts, please feel free to email me at registrar@uplift-mi.org, listed here up at the top. Otherwise, any other changes that can be made are in white, and you're able to adjust those. For the home phone number here that's listed, this is the primary parent's phone number who was listed as the first parent on the original enrollment form. If this number needs to be changed, you're able to do that under Part C. Also here you do have a section for the student's individual cell phone if they have one. And then go ahead and click Complete Step. And to move on, under the family address section, if you have any changes of address, make that change here and attach a proof of residence document under Part 5. Under the family information section, if parents are split up and living in separate homes, each parent will have their own access to the Family Access portal and can change their own information, but cannot change each other's. And the primary parent listed on the enrollment form is the one who is able to update the information for the student as well. Although parts D and F say required up at the top, these are optional pieces of information. So if you do not want to fill any of this part out, go ahead and just click Complete Step. Under Section E for emergency contacts, we do require at least one non-parent emergency contact who does not live in the home. For example, if you do live at a home with the student's grandparent, you may list them as an emergency contact, but we do prefer someone outside of the home to also be listed. You're able to go through here, change the contact order, and add or delete emergency contacts as needed. Again, this section is optional. Verifying ethnicity and race. And this section I went through and completed ahead of time just to save some time in this tutorial. So you'll notice I went through and I answered these questions. If you do need to make any changes once you've completed a section, you're able to edit the step. Down on the handbook, please click on the Family Handbook link and it will take you to our handbook. If we do have any changes throughout the summer, your family will be notified of those changes. And if you have anyone besides the parents who need to be a learning coach, go ahead and enter their information here. Step 4 is the technology agreement form. If you do need to view the full form, go ahead and click View Full Screen, and you'll be able to see all the words that are cut off here on the right. Come to the bottom here and answer all the questions, and click Next or Complete. Under the attachments section, please make sure to update anything. If no attachments are necessary for your family, you may click Complete Step here. And once you have gone through and verified everything, you are able to click Submit. And if I have any questions, I will contact you. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.